the last class, we discussed the concept of homogeneous linear equation. What students? Concept of homogeneous linear equation. Now, what is the complete solution, students? Very good. Complementary function plus particular integral. Complementary function plus particular integral. Now, in this lecture, I am going to solve some problems on homogeneous linear equation. Okay, students, write down. Solve. Solve 2r plus 5s plus 2t that is equal to 0. That is equal to 0. See, students, right hand side. The right hand side 0. We have 0 here. So solution. What is complete solution here, students? Complete solution is equal to complementary function plus particular integral. Here the right hand side value is 0, students. So there is no the value particular value is 0. So complementary function is complete solution is equal to complementary function. So complete solution is equal to complementary function. Now, students. Now what is R? R, that is equal to dou square z by dou x square. What is S, students? Dou square z by dou x dou y. Under T, dou square z by dou y square. Dou y square. So this can be written as 2 into R, students. Dou square z by dou x square plus 5 into S, students. Dou square z by dou x dou y plus 2 into dou square z by dou y square, that is equal to 0. That is equal to 0. Now symbolic form, students. First step is symbolic form. Symbolic form means write the d and d dash term. This equation write in terms of d and d dash, students. So what is capital D, students? Dou by dou x. And d dash, students? Dou by dou y. Dou by dou y. So 2 into dou square z by dou x square, students. Dou square z by dou x square. Suppose if I write here dou square z by dou x square, that means here dou by dou x means d. Dou square means d square z. D square z. So 2 into you get here d square plus 5 into common here, students. Dou z by dou x d. Dou z by dou means d dash. Dou y means d dash plus 2 into dou square z by dou y square, students. Dou y square means d dash square. D dash square into, students, z, that is equal to 0. That is equal to 0. What is the next step, students? Auxiliary equation. Auxiliary equation. What is auxiliary equation, students? 2d square plus 5d d dash plus 2d dash square, value 0. This expression is equal to 0. That equation is called auxiliary equation. This equation is called auxiliary equation. Now put, students, here d is equal to m and d dash is equal to 1. D is equal to m and d dash is equal to 1. Now this equation becomes here 2m square plus 5m plus 2, that is equal to 0. Because m dash value is 1, student. So 1 square means we get 2. So I want to find solution, students. 2 into 2. 2 into 2, 4. So I have 1 into 4, students. 1 into 4, 4. 1 plus 4, students, 5. So we get 5 here, students. 1 plus 4, 5. So this can be written as 2m square plus 5m can be written as, students, 4m plus m, students, plus 2, that is equal to 0. Taking common, students, 2m. 2m. We get here m plus 2, students, plus taking common from this to 1, students, m plus 2, that is equal to 0. Now entire taking common m plus 2, we get here 2m plus 1, that is equal to 0. 2m plus 1, that is equal to 0. That implies, what are the roots students here? Minus 2. Here, minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2. Therefore, complementary function. What is complementary function students here? f1 of y plus m. What is m here? Minus 2. So minus 2x plus f2 of y plus m2. M2 is minus 1 by 2. So you get minus 1 by 2x. This is the complementary function. Complementary function. I already told students, complementary function is complete solution. When it is students, the right hand side 0. Therefore, complete solution z that is equal to f1 of y minus 2x plus f2 of y minus 1 by 2x. 1 by 2x. This is the required solution of given equation. Let us see another problem, students. Next problem, students. Solve dou cube z by dou x cube minus 3 dou cube z by dou x square dou y plus 4 dou cube z by dou y cube, that is equal to e power x plus 2y. E power x plus 2y. Solution. What is complete solution here, students? Complete solution, that is equal to complementary function plus particular integral. Complementary function plus particular integral. Because we have here right hand side, students. The previous problem is equal to 0. So there is no need to find particular integral. But in this problem we have right hand side. So you have to find particular integral. Now, solving complementary function. Symbolic form. What is first step, students? Symbolic form. What is symbolic form, students, here? D cube minus 3 dou x square we have, students. So d square dou y, so d dash plus 4 into dou y cube, students. So d dash cube into, students, z, that is equal to e power x plus 2y. Now you write auxiliary equation, students. Auxiliary equation. What is auxiliary equation, students? D cube minus 3d square d dash plus 4d dash cube, that is equal to 0. Now put d is equal to m and d dash is equal to 1. D is equal to m and d dash is equal to 1. We get here m cube minus 3m square, d dash value is 1, students. So plus 4, that is equal to 0. Now find roots, students. Find roots. We can use calculator here, students. By using calculator we can find easily roots. Of course we can solve by synthesis method here. What is m cube quotient, students, here? 1. M square quotient here? Minus 3. M quotient here? 0. Constant is 0, students. So m is equal to, take minus 1, students. By check. So 0. We get here 1. Minus 1 into 1. We get here minus 1. Minus 3 minus 1. Minus 4. Minus 1 into minus 4, students. We get here 4. So we get here 4. Minus 1 into 4 we get minus 4. So this value is 0, students. So one of the root is minus 1. Now here we have 1 minus 4, 4, students. So it can be written as m square minus 4m plus 4. It's simple, students, here. M square minus 4m plus 4. It is like here m minus 2 whole square, students. So what are the roots there? 2 comma 2. 2 comma 2. Therefore, what are the roots, students? Minus 1 comma 2 comma 2. 2 comma 2. Therefore, what is complementary function, students? Complementary function. f1 of m here minus 1. So y minus x, students. Minus x plus f2 of repeated roots, students, here. Repeated roots. For repeated roots, f2 of y plus 2x plus x into f3 of y plus 2x. This is the complementary function. This is the complementary function. Now find particular integral, students. Particular integral. What is particular integral, students? Here 1 by write this one, students. D cube minus 3 d square d dash plus 4 d dash cube. What is right hand side function, students? Exponential function, that is e power x plus 2y. That is equal to, already told you, students, replace d by x coefficient. Here x coefficient is 1. Replace d dash by y coefficient. Y coefficient is 2 here. So that is equal to 1 by d cube. That means 1 cube minus 3 into d square. That means 1 square. D dash means it is 2 plus 4 into d dash cube. D dash cube means 2 cube into e power x plus 2y. That is equal to 1 by we get here minus 6. 1 minus 6 plus 2 cube minus 8. 8 4s are 32 into e power x plus 2y. That is equal to 1 by 33. That means you will get 33 minus 6, students. 27 e power x plus 2y. This is particular integral. This is particular integral. Now what is complete solution, students? Complete solution. Find solution for z. So z is equal to complementary function. What is complementary function? f1 of y minus x plus f2 of y plus 2x plus x into f3 of y plus 2x plus particular integral. Particular integral is 1 by 27 into e power x plus 2y. X plus 2y. This is the required solution of given equation. Let us see another problem. Students, solve dou square z by dou x square minus 2 into dou square z by dou x dou y plus dou square z by dou y square, that is equal to sin x. That is equal to sin x. Solution. What is complete solution, students? Complementary function plus particular integral. Complementary function plus particular integral. Solving complementary function. Symbolic form. What, students? Symbolic form. What is symbolic form, students? Here d square minus 2d d dash plus d dash square into, students, z, that is equal to sin x. That is equal to sin x. Now you write auxiliary equation. What is the auxiliary equation, students? D square minus 2d d dash plus d dash square, that is equal to 0. Now put d is equal to m. Count that, students, d dash is equal to 1. So this becomes a 1 square minus 2m plus 1 is equal to 0. That implies this is nothing but, count them, students, m minus 1 whole square, that is equal to 0. So m is equal to 1 comma 1. Therefore, complementary function f1 of y plus m1 is 1, students. So x 1x plus repeated rows, so you get x f2 of y plus x. This is complementary function. Now particular integral 1 by count them, students, write d square minus 2d d dash plus d dash square into f of x. F of x is here sin x. Here a value is 1, b value, students, 0, because sin ax plus by. There is no y term, students. So b value is 0, a value is 1. So that is equal to 1 by, replace d square by minus 1 square. So you get a minus 1 square, not minus 1 whole square, students. Somebody has done mistakes here. There is minus 1 whole square. It is not minus 1 whole square. What students here? Minus 1 square minus 2 into d dash means minus. We have already we have minus here. We get another minus. So minus into minus plus. So 1 into d dash coefficient is 0, students. Here also d dash square coefficient, students. It is 0 into sin x. That is equal to, we get here, these two terms are 0. We get minus 1. So we get here minus sin x. Sin x. Therefore, complete solution z is equal to complementary function f1 of y plus x into f2 of y plus x, particular inclusions minus sin x. Minus sin x. This is the required solution of given equation. These are the problems on case 1 and case 2, students. What is case 1? E power ax plus by. What is case 2? Case 2, sin ax plus b or cos ax plus by. Right? Thank you for watching this video. Jai Hind.